How to use YouTube TV on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use YouTube TV on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is head over to your App Store and search for YouTube TV. After you search for YouTube TV, simply download the app. Now, if in your region you don't have the YouTube TV available in the App Store yet, what you can do is instead of the YouTube TV app, you can head over to your browser, search for tv.youtube.com, and after you search for that, hit enter and you should be on the YouTube TV's website. So right here, as you can see, YouTube TV does cost you money, and you can just go through different plans of it available right here. But there is also a limited time offer where you can try it for free. There are also discounts available for the first 2 months, and after that your YouTube TV's plan will go to the base plan that is right here, currently $82.99 per month. So yeah, you can cancel it anytime, but after you sign up for it, you will be able to watch your favorite games here. As you can see, the channels available, your games, you can start watching whatever you want here. And yeah, all you have to do is sign up for the account and you can start browsing it like you normally browse your YouTube. So yeah, that's basically how you use YouTube TV on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.